This fancy-looking breakfast only takes about 5 minutes to make. And it's actually super easy. Let's get started. These are the ingredients, and it's also posted in the description box. I like using this bread, Ezekiel, for this recipe because the edges will crisp up just perfectly in the air fryer, but you can use any bread you like. I'm starting with it frozen straight from the freezer. Add a slice of cheese on top and set it aside. I'm gonna run the air fryer on air crisp for 2 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Air fryer settings may vary depending on your model. While the air fryer is preheating, I'm going to quickly wash and slice some cucumber and tomato. Once the air fryer beeps and says add food, I add in the bread with the cheese on top. If you want to add avocado, just slice it thin like this. Add 1 cup of water to a 2-cup microwave-safe container. Microwave for 1 minute. When the bread is done, take it out of the air fryer and let it cool for a little bit. When the microwave beeps, take the container out, add 1 egg, and put it back in the microwave for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, flip the egg and microwave for another 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, take the egg out using a slotted spoon. This is what it looks like after the second microwave round. At 25 seconds, this is how it looks. And at 30 seconds, it gets firm like this. Now it's time to assemble. I start with baby kale. You can also use arugula. Then I add sliced cucumber, a drizzle of balsamic glaze, tomatoes, and finally the egg on top. Then sprinkle with some black pepper and salt. This is really good. Crispy, fresh, and that runny egg just makes it perfect. And it only took a few minutes to make. If you like easy meals like this, subscribe for more quick recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.